Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we are going to be replacing headlight bulbs on a 2002 Ford Ranger. And we're going to be putting on these LED headlights from AUTOONE. This video is brought to you by AUTOONE. They have supplied these LED headlight bulbs, and we're going to try them out, install them at the same time. I'm going to show you guys how to replace headlight bulbs on a 2002 Ford Ranger, and it covers a wide range of years, you know, all the way from like 2000 or something all the way to the 2006, 5, whenever it was the last one. 9 I think is the last year that they did these trucks. It's all about the same thing anyway. So very good truck. Went on for many years, but they discontinued it and then they brought it back. So today we're gonna go ahead and change these headlights. So you may be wondering, why put such nice headlight bulbs on this old truck? Well, my answer to you is, why not? We need to see at night. So we're gonna go ahead and try out these bad boys right here. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and get started now. So you may or may not have this cover here. Sometimes they go missing over the years, so if you do have it, no big deal. It's three 5.5 millimeter screws on each side, one for the driver, one for the passenger. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those real quick like. And this is about the only tool you should need. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out real quick, and that gives us access to the retainer for the headlight assembly. We're gonna put these here so we won't lose them. Just pop this out, move it to the side. So you have two retainers, one here and one here. You're simply going to pull these out, or they're not going to come out completely. You just pop them up just like that, and then the headlight assembly should come right off. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, work it out. Sometimes they do get stuck. Let me turn on some lights here, and it should come right on out. Sometimes they get hung up with this retainer back here, but it should come out relatively easy once you wiggle it about a little bit. Okay, so this side is loose, and this side should be coming out here soon. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Come on now. It's loose, it's just gotta find its way out. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now this side is hung up. There we go. There we go. See? Now once you have it out, it's just a matter of making the disconnection here. Let me pop that out. Okay, you have a retaining ring here. You're just gonna turn that counterclockwise and pop it out, put it aside, and the bulb should come right on out, just like so. See? So the original ones come with halogen bulbs. We're gonna be upgrading to LEDs, again courtesy of AUTOONE. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. Now these LEDs, okay, you got your instruction manual here, a card, and you got your two bulb assemblies here. As you can see, it's all one piece. It's plug and play. You just put the original one, you put the replacement one in, and put everything back together. Now there is a built-in fan in here to keep this bulb cool. Super quiet. There's a very tiny little fan in here. You can see the little slots here so it could circulate air and keep this cool for long lasting life. So we're gonna go ahead, and you got these notches here, one here actually, and this should only go in one way. So there, it's in. It should be nice and flush all the way around. Now if you try to put it any other way, it shouldn't fit. See, it shouldn't really fit. No matter how you put it, it shouldn't quite fit right. It should only go in one way, just like that. Once you put that in there, let's go ahead and pop the retaining ring back on there, make your connection, and then we're gonna pop everything back the way it came out, just like so. You may have to kind of move these around here. These are the adjustments for the level. You shouldn't have to touch all that, any of that, unless you're gonna make an adjustment to aim the headlight assembly, but you shouldn't have to do any of that. Okay, gotta kind of get this wiring harness in place here. Okay. Okay, once everything is in, there, that is it. She is in. You're gonna put this grommet back in there. You're gonna put the little screws back in, tying them down, and you are done. Only took a few minutes to do. We're gonna go ahead and tighten these up, just like so. Just like so, and bada bing bada boom, you are done. Now you got to do the same thing on the other headlight. It's the same operation, but I'm gonna leave them like that for now, because I want to see the difference between the LED and the halogen, and we're gonna have to wait till it gets dark so we can appreciate it. But we're gonna go ahead and take a gander here, and wow, yeah, that definitely looks nicer. Nice white light here, a yellow duller light here. So this is the original one, and this is the upgraded LED. So we're gonna have to see how it looks at night. Obviously you could tell the difference from here. Let me get here, from here to here, but it's still daylight, so it's kind of difficult to appreciate it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait a couple hours till the sun goes down. It'll be a few seconds for you guys, but once the sun goes down, we're gonna go ahead and do a better comparison from one to the other. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are back, and it has gotten a lot darker now, so we should be able to appreciate the difference in the lighting now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Ooh, look at that. Definitely tell the difference between the original and the new upgraded LEDs. Way brighter. Now I may have to do some adjustment on the assembly itself, but definitely you can tell. I don't know if the video is going to do it justice, but definitely the LED is a lot brighter. I mean, you can really appreciate it now. And let's go ahead and try the high beams. Ooh, wow. Yeah, so I definitely want to see how it looks like on the road. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the driver's side in and make whatever adjustments if needed, and then we'll go for a quick spin around the blocks to see how they look. And it should be way darker by then, so let's go ahead and get that done real quick. Alright guys, so we're here with the finished product. We don't have the lights on now. We're gonna go ahead and crank them on. Boom, look at that. Very, very, very bright white light. I am very happy with this. I'm definitely gonna have to get me a set for my other car. Once you get used to driving with these lights. We're gonna go ahead and try the high beams now. Look at that. I've never been able to see the road like this with the other headlights, that's for sure. So this is definitely 2 thumbs up in my opinion. It's got my seal of approval. High beams again, low beams, high beams. Definitely worth the money. I'm gonna consider getting some for my other car. Because this is definitely working excellent. Look at that cat. See? Now I can see the cat. Alright guys, well this concludes this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will put a link in the description if you are interested in getting some of these lights. It'll send you straight to the website. It is an affiliate website link. If you put in my code GAutoRepair, you will get a 15% discount on your purchase. Again, a 15% discount on your purchase if you put my GAutoRepair coupon code. So look for the link in the description. Again, thanks for watching. Thank you for all your support, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.